When it comes to Java development, IntelliJ IDEA and VSCode offer very different experiences. IntelliJ IDEA, especially the Ultimate version, is a full-featured IDE built for Java. It includes powerful refactoring tools, built-in Maven and Gradle support, Spring Boot integration, code inspections, and real-time error detection. It's the industry standard for serious Java developers. VS Code, in contrast, is a lightweight editor extended through plugins like the Java Extension Pack. It's fast, open source, and flexible, but lacks the deep, language-specific tooling IntelliJ provides. If you're building large Java apps or working in enterprise environments, IntelliJ is more productive and reliable. For simple projects, quick edits, or mixed language work, VS Code works just fine. IntelliJ wins on raw power, VS Code wins on speed and modularity.